How to do a send it on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing the ways to use or do a send it on Snapchat. So to do this procedure, first of all, check your internet connection and you'll have to install the Sendit app. So for that, go to your respective Play Store. You can follow this tutorial for any of the video, whether you're on iOS or Android. So on the search box, type in Sendit and make sure to install the application by tapping on the install button. In my case, I already have installed it, so I just need to tap on the open button. So what you have to do is you'll have to link your Sendit application with your Snapchat account. So go ahead and select your age and tap the let's go button. So as soon as you do that, the Sendit will automatically link your Snapchat account. After that, it's going to ask you to allow all of these permissions and make sure to go through it all and tap the continue button. After you've done that, you'll be able to see all sort of information, so you can just go ahead and select all of it. Now as soon as you are done linking your Sendit to your Snapchat, what you can do is you can just go ahead and type in any of these questions right on top and you can tap the share button. You can share it to a Snapchat story or on your Snap. So what you can do is you can also make changes with the question. So you can just tap on it and then type any of these thing. So you can also tap the dice button located in the bottom left and you can make changes with the question at the same time. So once you've done that, you can just go ahead and tap the share button and you can also change the background color at the same time, and it's going to ask you whether you want to share it on your story or on the feed or whatever. So that's basically how you can do send it on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.